Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
And the next example is on same. These are all the examples based on the constant acceleration. What is that next example we are going to look at? Let's see. So this is a point A, this is a point B. So the vehicle is moving with a speed V1 at point A with a constant acceleration A, and the moment when it reaches to the point B, its velocity is V2. This is what the information is given. Now they are asking us exactly at the midpoint, what is the velocity? Hope it's clear to description, right? Now how can we solve this? See, now constant acceleration. So let us take acceleration here is A and here also A only, right? Now if the distance from A to B is some distance x, I am calling this A to B, the distance is x. Hope you are following, right? And this is going to give you x by 2, and this is also going to give you x by 2, right? X by 2 and x by 2, right? Now for this part, if you use v square is equivalent to u square plus 2as. Now how can we take, look at here, final velocity, this part v square is equivalent to v1 square plus 2a x by 2. So how about x by 2? V square minus v1 square by 2a is equivalent to x by 2. Now for the second part, same equation we can use for the second part. What is that? Final velocity v2, initial velocity is v. Okay, so v2 square is equivalent to v square plus 2a x by 2 again. Hope you are following. For the second part, final velocity this and initial velocity is this. Now again here x by 2, if you write this is nothing but v2 square minus v square by 2a. Now these two are equal, isn't it? When you equate them, what happened here? V square minus v1 square by 2a is equivalent to v2 square minus v square by 2a. Now 2 getting cancelled. So what happened here? So v square and minus v square, bring it over 2v square. This minus v square, take it to the left side, and v1 square take it to the right side. So it is nothing but v1 square plus v2 square. And again v square is equivalent to v1 square plus v2 square upon 2. Therefore v is equivalent to root over v1 square plus v2 square upon 2. So this is the velocity at the midpoint of the 2 points. Now example, if you take the numerical value. So here is the vehicle is moving with velocity 20 meters per second at point A, and to the point B, when it reaches, it is moving with 30 meters per second. Now maintaining constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. So what is the velocity at the midpoint? Velocity at the midpoint. So for this case, use this formula directly. So v is equivalent to root over v1 square plus v2 square upon 2. So v is equivalent to root over v1 square is how much? 20 square plus v2 square how much? 30 square upon 2. So v is equivalent to root over 400 plus 900 upon 2. So v is equivalent to root over, how much is that? 1300 by 2. So v is equivalent to root over 6, isn't it? 50. So 1300 by 2, 650. So v is equivalent to, how can we take it's a, yeah, so 10 root 65. So root over 650, 625 is almost all 25 near. So nearest value is nothing but 25 meters per second. So the velocity at the midpoint, nearest value 25 meters per second, of course more than that only. Okay, thank you.